Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear and respected brothers in Islam, brothers of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jamaat, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ahlul Sunnah Center, Jamia Islamia Razvia Ziaul Iman 299 Dradings Lane, Birmingham B11 3DD. Eid al-Adha prayer announcement. 10th Zilhajj, Wednesday, 27 May 2026. The Eid prayer will be held in the morning at the following times: 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10:30 a.m. All Muslims are warmly requested to participate in large numbers. Important note: all congregations will begin exactly at the scheduled times. Please make every effort to arrive on time from home in the state of wudu and wearing fragrance while reciting the takbirat-e-tashriq aloud. On this blessed occasion, kindly support the masjid generously. All listeners and readers are also requested to continue sharing this message as much as possible until the day of Eid and earn reward in this life and hereafter. Always perform your prayers behind a Sunni Imam with correct Islamic beliefs, and do not risk invalidating your prayer by following misguided people with incorrect beliefs. It is essential for an imam to possess correct Islamic beliefs, proper and accurate Quranic recitation, and righteous practice and conduct. Otherwise, the prayer will not be valid. Avoid offering prayers behind Wahhabis, so-called Salfis, Deobandis, Shias, Jamaatis, Naturies, liberal-minded people, and those who compromise in matters of faith. For any information, brothers may contact 07973414938. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.